Hello, my name is Nadir Habib. In this video, we build cloud skills like we build a BTC skill that predict the future of the Bitcoin prices. So let's get started. So first of all, we summarize that every detail in this video I will discuss about with you. So first of all, that is the cloud. We use a cloud normally with the web, and here's you can also make skills like a free plan for the cloud for the cloud web. So you don't need a paid plan. How they predict the price next 48 hours, like when I build a skill. So first, overview: Bitcoin price is driven by the intersections of global macroeconomics, on-chain behavior of holders and whales, technical price structure, market sentiments, and Bitcoin's on supply cycle. So first, I talk with the cloud. Hey cloud, I need skills like you analyze and predict the market for the bitcoins. I provide you every details from understand a long via short in spot trading for the bitcoins. Accordingly, the data layer every signal, the moves BTC when the move up and down, and every format detail like a FOMO behavior, GDP, DXR, like a market crash, if any kind of information that predict the BTC price they fall in next 2 days, yeah, in next 3 to 4 hours, like a layer 2 on-chain data that analyze on-chain data with the real intelligence layer. That what he did, they did the go to the web and extract on-chain data, all kind of real time on-chain data, and then they predict the price. Its accuracy is must be great. So whale transactions, minor outflows, MRR, layer 3 technical analysis, chart reading, XYZ, and that have every detail from guiding how the BTC you need to predict for the market. So here is the complete bull case for the BTC, what slope, and when the bear cases crash signal and what causes. And after that, the end of the line I just summarize. Basically, above information, you make a skill like Bitcoin predict dot skill. First, I got you need a cloud, make a skills, not any kind of information chart. I need a skills like dot skills, and also I got you the dot MD format. So it's accepted for the cloud, in which skills all above information when I provide you current. First, I give just date and time current and BTC current price. Just two details I give, and after that skills one. Then you get web search about BTC and news. So you see that why I right here the news keyword. For example, see that there actually in nowadays Iran and USA wars is continuously running. That news factor is many important for the generate BTC predict price. Get data 100% accurate and show me the graph format real time and long etc advanced information skilling. And also I guide first give me more question about and after make a skill. First I guide the cloud. Hey cloud, first you can also talk to me with some questions, and after that you can easily build a skill. So let's I copy that skills guide, and that all the prompt I mentioned in the descriptions. You can also copy that and same as the similar for paste here. So first I guide you what is skills. So first I generate a advanced prompt. After that I ask a build a skill. First you see that that is advanced prompt of I build for the cloud. You just need to go to the cloud and ask them cloud, hey cloud, I want that skills to build. You can make a skill and get a question answer with the cloud, and after that they generate a personalized, like maybe a good prompt for your skill case. And first, what is a skill? You are confusing if you are new for this skill. Skills are the folder of instructions, script, and resources the cloud load dynamically to improve performance on specialized tasks. First, I got you. First, yeah, if you maybe, if you don't know, understand, first you make a content like you can make a cloud 300 wordings of the content. You see that that content is be AI generated. So what's the skills role in that? You build a humanizer skills. That humanizer skills to remove AI duplicated words and XYZ. And after that reduce AI content, you see that at the last you make a human content with the help of skill. Skills is very important role in the future. So first you see that I paste here my skill first. If you don't know cloud hover, you see that you go to the customize and here the skills. You go to the skills, you see that here the skills are the basically the markdown format. You here you when I build a skill, yeah, and here you can also integrate with the skills, like upload a skill. When I make a skill, you see that this file requirement is the .md file, yeah, .zip file, yeah, .skills file must include .skills md file. uh, you see that is the examples of the cloud skills how they make. So first you go to the here and create a cloud skill. You can also talk, but I just paste here my skill and removed it. In here the script has mentioned every detail kind of details about the skills. So let's execute the workflow. So first he guide me your plan is the free plan is be not respond. So connect another account. You see that there is another account. I paste here my script and let's continue. Is but is the HECUO model is not the good model. You can change that models like Sonnet 4.6 is a better advanced model to reasoning and question and answer and thinking models. So let's execute the workflow. So I will have to a few questions building our skills. You see that talk with some questions about the skills, exactly what you need. Waiting, timeline, time frame, and long term, and ETS flows and visuals format, and skills trigger. And so let's, what type of analyze output do you want? A short, a long signal with a confidence, like yes, I need a full layer by layer breakdown, quick summary dashboard, trade entry, exact recommendations. Yeah, I think that's for a school. What data should a skill prioritize most? Macro CPI format DX on chain sentiments and fear. I just asked but I think is one is best, yeah. One you can accordingly fair and greed funding and rates, you can accordingly you are selected. So first I selected pick and drag and drop. First drag the I think so. First, he see that what's the prioritized value, priority. I think it's awesome. So let's continue. And how to show the skills presently final long and short neutral and these by their score for the traffic and all those effects and combined. Yes, all those about. So you see that skills is building text question before I. And again, they asked me four questions, short term, horse. Uh, So first he talked with me, you need a BTC skill prediction like a short term or long term, but I asked with a few days, yeah, you can ask a month and also you can ask it's depend on human. It's depend human input message. Like, it your flow data, yes, repeat layer 5, yes, but many macro layer, no, skip it. I don't confuse it for what he did, but accordingly recommended which. So let's rich which visual format to output dashboard, rich text terminal dashboard, both HTML first, ACI, HTML. I don't confuse, recommended. So let's the photo BT I paste the price manually. Cloud auto fetch on web search bots options supported. text, both options supported. I can manually, because some of cases you ask with the cloud, a cloud, but some cases of cloud predict various scenarios conditions of the previously, like one horse, two horse later, that predict and extract, because it's a LLM's model, so maybe it's but I give a real time BTC price and real time date and time, they predict better informations. So now, so wait some minutes, and after that they generate our skills. So and after that we check that skills and result should receive. So first, so he built a skill. So first, when I build my previous skill, how they were, you see that that is the skills I paste here, my dot skills, and can you read and view? They ask me, yes, I can view your skills because I previously built a BTC skill. So first I provide the date and time and the spot trading some informations, and about maybe I provide the BTC short term and just ask, hey, price BTC bullish or dump in this week. My skill BTC that give me real time informations in which date, and the 19 March in Thursday, and 2026, 70,000 BTC price is, you maybe you see that when 19 March is very fair conditions in the BTC market, that complete, you see that is complete BTC report that make, and I I sa- I invest my crypto money accordingly this skill. So you see that is mega skills, and after that we test it out. You see that skills is built. Yeah, that is the complete UI dashboard for that kind of information. When I run that skills, this kind of information they work like a long and long and long, and the target one and DCA, how the DCA work and XYZ details. Let's download the MD file. It's a .md file, and here's a complete skills accordingly how they, like I talked with you in previously, how the skills were, the skills of the instruction script and resources of the cloud load dynamically to improve performance and specialize attack. And here's the complete instructions and every kind of information, skills, identity, Bitcoin or actually, like spell it. So let's test this skill. So first I make new chat window and go to the customize. You can also paste here your skills also, you can also paste a skill, and now date and time, and here's your date and time, current date and time, and let's paste here, and BTC current USDT price, it's a USDT price, current USDT price. So let's copy that and paste here. You can also work that, but the professional way, you can also in the skills you and here you can upload skills, like go to here, and it's a must start a YML content skills. I don't it's some kind of an error is so let's again ask with BTC. So I don't know how the error is come, so let's, so you see that here's skills of, I ask skill the must start a man. Let's paste that. Again, they create a file, check current file, and update in this file environment content. You see that the skills is built. So let's download it and go to here, and again go to the customize and skills and go to here and upload a skill and paste that YM. So you see that is a Bitcoin predict information is come here, and I ask again with, so go to again in here. Hey Cloud, I just Bitcoin skills. Can you make something amazing with it? No, I just you can also add it, but you make a snippet. After that, copy that current date and time, and current BTC in USDT price, and so let's merge it. First, he read a Bitcoin predict skills, and after that, just generate a strong portfolio report. That's web search and many kind of web searching like XYZ information. 10 result, and 50 searches in a second, like 60, 70 searches. Like its skills is very, very, very good. So now they extract all kind of information in according my skills, how you instructions and how you process with their skills to give a better quality output. Uh, Now I have all data I need. Let me build a dashboard. Now I have everything. Let me build a full Bitcoin or Excel dashboard. He built with for me so better for better UI performance. Build a dashboard. You see that is the current uh, data, like 68,000 in today's 5% market crash is -2 neutral, weak and bearish. Layer 1 macro, layer 2 technicals, and layer 3 is sentiments like 5, and layer 4 is on changes uh, 0 upon 10. And the layer of ETF mid bull is maybe bull. Layer 6 is cycle data. If you are a Bitcoin, have any, it's your technical information, you can also understand that all kind of information, because I'm a not technical person in a Bitcoin like a technique. So it's a complete data. You see macro and XYZ informations. Like S1 is 671 key levels, and S2 65, and S3 and R1 and R2 and R3. And 5 days it's 68, and 50 days 72, and 200 days it's BEMA it's 86, and the complete informations low volume it's chatting cloud with the limit execute. So text context like was short trigger. It's ask a break trigger, and ask if a long entry you can you see that target one, target two, and target three. They're all kind of information you see here, and you can analyze and predict the market. So in this video is a complete overview with the how you can make a BTC skills to predict that market. You can also make according with your thought, make a BTC skills and get a better results output. So in this video, so goodbye.